So in this third wave information society, it's all about supporting competition and diversity. Companies need to be able to change their business plans, adjust their products in competition, and as one company changes, the next one has to change, and then they have to change back. And the pace of this change increases, and agility becomes really important to compete in this very demanding, competitive environment. Of course, this is in stark contrast to the way IT management is generally done, which is to create these enormous projects that take months at a time of planning, trying in a very stiff and non-agile fashion to never make any mistakes. Put so much planning into it that it takes months and months, and then you have some gigantic rollout date where you eventually launch this project at very high risk, and you're sort of changing a lot of things at the same time. I call it the rocket science approach to IT management because it's kind of how you build a rocket. You have these very specialized experts that create this massive monolithic thing. It has one launch date. You hit the button and it's going in one place in one direction. It's very static, not at all agile, and hopefully it doesn't blow up on the launch pad when you launch it. We want to get away from this whole idea of rocket science in IT management towards more of your commercial 747 airliner, which can of course launch not once every 6 months, but like 60 times a day, and you can change course, you can fly to different destinations, you can pull the seats out and make it take cargo instead of people. It's very agile, very flexible. This is what we want in IT management. It's all about anticipating change so that you can be slightly ahead of the game. To do that, you need the knowledge. It's about acting very quickly, minimizing the impact of change, and that requires precision. And then just having the ability to plot your course to these different places. So that's about having the flexibility, the expressiveness of policy or course change, if you like, to be able to do that. So agility is this mixture of things, speed and precision and expressiveness. And what CFEngine tries to do is to give you a very clear language to express clear intentions towards a desired state. And then with this kind of self-healing autopilot infrastructure, you can maintain that state for as long as you like, hands-free. Humans don't have to be involved in this, so it's low total cost of ownership because it's hands-free for large periods of time. And then when you need to make a change, humans are using their skills to be able to make this change in a very simple, low-cost, agile way with the minimum of effort. And that's how you go from competitive situation to competitive situation using a modern approach to IT management.